How to use an investing app properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Most people download an investing thinking it's only for news, but the surprising truth is beginners often miss features that can boost returns and decision making. Here's how to use it properly. ANK Investing provides market news, portfolio tracking, and insights. The first mistake is ignoring portfolio setup. Input your holdings accurately to get precise performance tracking and alerts. The second mistake is overreacting to news. ANK updates constantly, and beginners may buy or sell based on short-term headlines. Stick to a long-term strategy and use news to inform, not dictate decisions. Another error is neglecting alerts and watch lists. ANK allows custom notifications for stocks, ETFs, and indices. Not using them can mean missed opportunities. Beginners may also overlook research tools. ANK offers analyst ratings, historical data, and trend analysis. Using these resources improves informed investing. Finally, some users fail to review performance regularly, track returns, compare with benchmarks, and adjust allocations if necessary. Used correctly, ANK investing is more than news. It's a tool for smarter investing. Set up portfolios, interpret news wisely, use alerts and research, and review performance consistently to make better financial decisions.